2022 BMW 8 Series. Starting at $85,995. Highs. Gloriously smooth and speedy V8, athletic handling and tranquil ride, posh interior. Lows. Some obstructions to outward visibility, backseat is an afterthought, not as visually dramatic as the Lexus LC. Verdict. The 8 Series Coupe and Convertible are incredibly luxurious, even if they're not incredibly distinct. Overview. The 2022 BMW 8 Series Coupe and Convertible are positioned as the most extravagant two-door models in the company's portfolio. With aggressive proportions and sinewy sheet metal, both body styles have notable curbside presence, even if neither is as fancy as, say, the Lexus LC. Still, BMW endows each with a beautiful interior that is exquisitely appointed and impeccably built. While its tiny backseat exists as a courtesy, anyone who needs more passenger space can opt for the 8 Series Gran Coupe sedan, reviewed separately. Power comes from two excellent sources, a 335 HP turbocharged straight-six, 840i, or a 523 HP twin-turbo V8, M850i. Regardless of the powertrain, the 2022 8 Series Coupe and Convertible have surprising agility for their size and a genuinely serene ride quality. What's new for 2022? For 2022, BMW makes the M Sport package standard on the 6-cylinder 840i Coupe and Convertible. The package previously cost $4,550 and includes 19-inch wheels, an aerodynamic body kit, dark exterior trim, AM steering wheel, multifunction seats, and upgraded brakes. Not only do the 6-cylinder models come with more and better standard equipment, both body styles also get $3,000 shaved off their starting price. Pricing and which one to buy. 840i Coupe. $85,995. 840i Convertible. $95,395. M850i xDrive Coupe. $100,895. M850i xDrive Convertible. $110,395. We prefer the prodigious power of the all-wheel drive only M850i, with its 523 HP twin-turbo V8. We also like the type of drama provided by the regal and more immersive drop-top version, even if it comes with a nearly $10,000 surcharge. The 8's cabin is lavishly appointed with leather covering most every surface and attractive accents, both of which can be mixed to match everyone's preferred aesthetic. We're particularly fond of the cognac merino leather and aluminum dark trace interior trim. Among the options we'd select are the glass controls for an even ritzier interior, and the neck warmers in the front seat headrests that'll allow us to enjoy longer periods of top-down driving in our four-season state. Engine, transmission, and performance. BMW's biggest coupe and convertible start off with a 335 HP turbocharged inline 6-cylinder. These 840i models pair with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either rear or all-wheel drive, called xDrive in BMW's parlance. While we haven't driven an 8 with the 6-cylinder, BMW has built a reputation on silky smooth and responsive powertrains, so only speed freaks will likely be disappointed. Instead, we've driven both body styles of the M850i that feature a 523 HP twin-turbo V8, 8-speed automatic, and standard all-wheel drive. This combination delivers impressive acceleration for the bimmer size and provides a rich soundtrack in the sportiest setting. Likewise, the transmission transitions from relaxed to reactive based on the driver's right foot. Most important, the 8 Series delivers on its grand touring promises, with a supremely quiet ride and surprising athleticism. Its steering feedback is direct and linear but filters out road imperfections and front tire feedback. Although its adaptive dampers allow extra flexibility depending on the selected drive mode, they make the 8 remarkably stable during cornering in their stiffest setting. The car's powerful brake system and firm pedal feel further enhance the feeling of absolute confidence. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The more powerful M850i, which includes a twin-turbo V8 and standard all-wheel drive, means a significant reduction in EPA fuel economy ratings versus the turbo 6-cylinder that powers 840i models. The M850i is rated up to 17 mpg city and 25 highway, whereas the less powerful 840i has estimates of up to 23 mpg city and 30 highway. We tested the M850i coupe and convertible on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route where they achieved 29 and 26 mpg, respectively. While both body styles exceeded their EPA ratings, the coupe did so by 4 mpg whereas the soft top only managed 1 mpg more. For more information about the 8 Series fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 2022 8 Series interior offers all the infotainment gadgetry and luxury features expected in a high-priced Gran Tourer. Every model has 14-way power-adjustable heated front seats, soft-close automatic doors, and customizable ambient lighting. More extravagant upgrades include glass control and additional high-end materials. It can even be outfitted with unique BMW individual options, such as a fancy white and brown color scheme. Although it does offer a pair of vestigial rear seats, they're not pleasant places for adults to spend time. The 8's low roofline also impedes headroom in the front seat and outward visibility isn't great, but that's the price of fashion. Its interior cubby storage consists of a coverable tray at the front of the center console, a useful central bin, and adequate door pockets. We also managed to fit 5 carry-on bags in the coupe's trunk and another 6 with the back seats stowed, but the convertible held 1 bag less in each scenario. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.3-inch touchscreen are standard on every 8 Series. Unfortunately, the instrument panel is overcrowded and not particularly intuitive to operate with the steering wheel controls. The infotainment system has a variety of ways to interact with it, including a useful rotary knob on the center console. It also features standard Apple CarPlay capability, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Android Auto is absent. Those who want a more elaborate sound system can opt for the Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround system. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2022 8 Series offers myriad driver assistance technology, including a semi-autonomous driving mode. For more information about the 8 Series crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Available adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology. Available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Warranty and maintenance coverage. BMW covers every 2022 8 Series with a competitive limited warranty, however, it flip-flops advantages with its Lexus rival. While the LC has an extra 2 years or 20,000 miles of powertrain protection, the 8 lineup includes an additional 2 years or 26,000 miles of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.